Hey guys, today we are going to talk about correlative conjunctions. Things that correlate go together. And these correlative conjunctions always appear in pairs. So there will always be two. They connect words or groups of words, and they provide more emphasis than a simple coordinating conjunction. So they show how words correlate or go together, and they always show up in pairs. Here are some very common examples. Both and. So both would be at one part of the sentence, usually toward the beginning, and then and would follow it later in the sentence. Either or, neither nor, not only, but, and sometimes this is not only and but also, and then whether or. When working with correlative conjunctions, you have to make sure that you don't mix them. For example, you would not say either at the beginning of the sentence and then nor at the end of the sentence. It has to be either or. They have to go together. Both and, either or, neither nor, not only but, or not only but also, and whether or. So let's read our sentence here. When two animal species, this should be species typo, not only live together, but also have a very close relationship, we call them symbiotic. So find the correlative conjunctions. We have not only and but also. Symbiotic relationships can be either parasitic, commensal, or mutual. Either or. Here, let's insert the correct correlative conjunctions. The clownfish lures prey to the anemone, chases away fish that might cause damage. A good one here would be both lures prey to the anemone and chases away fish that might cause damage. Big things to remember. Correlative conjunctions come in pairs, and they need to match. They need to go together.